I think that's why I've been effective in criminal defense is I believe in my people. A lot of times we'll get a call from someone that hasn't even been charged yet and the police want to talk to them. And the very first thing I tell them is, you're not going to talk to them without your lawyer present, because they will ask a lot of questions and that may have nothing to do with the crime, and then later try to say, well, you weren't telling the truth about that or this, and then use that to say, well, you're not telling the truth about the crime itself. We do have good police and we do have good detectives and good investigators, but it's the ones that aren't that I worry about. We've got a constitution in our country that requires reasonable searches and seizure, due process. And my job is to make sure that the government follows the Constitution to the letter. I mean, the officer has the gun and the badge, and he's got a prosecutor, the weight of the state, and all the money behind him. Well, you need a criminal defense lawyer that likes to beat the cops at their own game, that likes to persuade prosecutor the errors of their way, and to persuade a jury ultimately of the innocence of your client. Can you imagine going hunting without a rifle? Can you imagine hunting a tiger without a rifle? Your lawyer is your rifle. He's your right arm. He's your bodyguard in a cruel world.